stop. If you're thinking about buying PrompterIQ, there's something you need to know first. This tool claims you can create and sell AI prompts without writing a single word, and turn simple text into a real online income stream. But is this actually legit? Or just another AI hype product? Let's break it down. Before we go deeper, if you decide to pick this up, make sure you grab it through the link in the description. Because I'm giving you 2 exclusive bonuses worth over $500 plus designed to help you actually make money with this, not just use it. What is PrompterIQ? PrompterIQ is an AI-powered prompt generator tool that lets you create high-converting prompts for ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other AI tools in seconds without writing, brainstorming, or any technical skills. You just select a niche, click generate, and your prompt is ready to sell or use. Benefits: why people are interested. Here's why this is getting attention right now. AI prompt selling is a growing market. People are making money selling prompts as digital products. You get unlimited prompt creation. 100 plus niches and use cases included, and commercial rights equals keep 100% profit. And the biggest benefit? You can turn AI into a simple business model. Inside PrompterIQ, you're getting AI prompt generator, instant results, bulk prompt creator, generate hundreds at once. 100 plus niche templates, one-click export system, and full commercial license. Plus, you can use it for digital products, freelancing, affiliate marketing, and client services. Basically, you're building a prompt-based business system. Honest pros and cons. Let's keep it real. Pros: beginner-friendly, fast and simple, unlimited usage, commercial rights included, and very low one-time price. Cons: you need to know how to sell prompts. Some outputs may need tweaking and not a push-button income tool. If you don't take action, you won't make money. Results: what to expect. You can create and sell prompt packs, offer prompt services to clients, build digital products, and start a side income stream. Some users are using this for copywriting, e-commerce, coaching, and content creation. But again, results depend on execution. Now wait, this is where it gets interesting. I'm giving you 2 custom bonuses designed to make you money faster. Bonus 1: Prompt Selling Blueprint, $297 value, step-by-step system to find winning niches, price your prompts, and sell on platforms like Fiverr, Gumroad. This removes the biggest confusion: how do I make money? Bonus 2: DFY Prompt Pack Bundle, $297 value. You'll get ready-to-sell prompt packs, high-demand niches, and editable templates. You can literally sell these immediately. Total bonus value: $594 plus yours free with your purchase. So, is PrompterIQ worth it? If you want a beginner-friendly AI side hustle, digital product income, low-cost entry into AI business, then yes, it's worth trying. So if you're serious, click the link in the description, grab PrompterIQ, and lock in my bonuses before they expire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.